add them to stream like this. And when we join you, when you will be joining me on the lab, you will therefore also see what we see like this. And when you will be joining me on the add to stream. Who is there? Zach as well, so I will add you to the stream. Felipe, device not connected. It means that, okay, now we are.
Hi, Juliana. Good to have you join us. Sorry,
It's possible I muted some of you guys if I hear from something. So as a moderator, I have the... I guess everyone is there. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
So basically during your session, you will be organized like this. I can change overlay here, as I mentioned you. See, I can have an overlay organized differently. And what I can do when we are talking live, so basically you guys are sharing the windows, you talk to each other like normal. Zach and Felipe will be your moderator. Question will be asked. And me, I have different options. You see, I can put you like this. I can do like this. I can choose a specific person to show on the screen. Or, for example, like this. And imagine at some point, if the discussion maybe is more in between Nicola, Giuliano, and Vincent. So, is it okay?
Okay, Jeff, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I'm fine because I already attended yesterday. I wanted just to check. So I'm going to leave you now. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. I'm happy that everything worked. One thing I need to check is that if I'm not on the StreamYard, can you hear me? So I'm going to remove myself from the stream, and I'm going to ask you if you can hear.
No.
No, we can't.
So it means you can only hear people on the stream, which is okay and normal. It means we need a way to communicate to each other, and this is a private chat. So on your right, you have an access here to private chat, and then this is the place we will have to talk to each other. Can you see the chat?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is only available here from the people inside the broadcasting studio. So my job, together with Kevin, that will join us, will be to monitor the event and to try to bring it some dynamic and hear what we're talking and make it look good. I have the script that was provided by Zach and by Felipe, so we know what people will talk about, and we will try live to change some layout sometimes to bring a little bit of difference like this. We will not be on a broadcast, so if you want to talk to us, use the chat.
Can you ask the participant to use the mic to be sure that it works well?
Sorry, can you come again?
Yeah, can you ask the participant to say something?
Yes, okay, as we are broadcasting live, yeah, it would be nice maybe to hear from all of you. So maybe Zach, Hugo, Felipe, Hélène, Victoria, just give us some noise.
Okay, so testing 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, just going for it.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right, great.
Hello, I hope it should work.
Yeah, maybe your sound is a little bit too low, Nicola.
Oh, okay. Maybe it is better without the headphone.
Try down, maybe, yeah.
Okay.
But normally, I think if you go on the checking here on the cam and mic, you know, you have a link cam mic.
Yeah.
Try to get the volume higher on the mic.
Oh yeah, okay. I can.
Technically, you can do that.
Oh yeah. Is it better now?
Yeah, a little bit better. Yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Check,
I will.
Sorry, don't worry.
Increase it. Okay, so now I change it. Is it better?
Yeah, better. Yeah,
Yes.
I can hear you better.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What's going on here? Oh, okay. So don't worry, I got you back.
During the live session, if something like this happen, I might just send you a link on the private chat to mention it. Okay, and we also use a WhatsApp group, so we can also use the discussion on WhatsApp if something wrong happened and you are ejected from the session. So normally everything happens really well on the test and everything collapses on the live. that's that's a bad omen the author are confronted with when we do so. During the live event, what is more important too is that on the comment section here, you will have a return on when people are posting on YouTube. So
Okay.
my comment here will appear on YouTube as well. And the private chat is between us. So make sure you don't make a mistake typing something on the wrong chat, because that will maybe just be seen by everyone. Here, I do have something called banner. The banner allows me to do something like this, or something like this. It means that Zach and Felipe will provide us with verbatims, and it means that Kevin and I will, at some point of the discussion, put emphasis on those verbatims by making them appear that way. So you see, it's quite a strong tool and is allowing us to change the display and to add or hide verbatims when it's important. It looks a bit like a cheap TV channel, but it's quite effective when you organize a webinar. I say cheap because American does it well, but in France they have something horrible called BFM TV, and so we will not do BFM. We do more like NBC, but anyway. So it means we can make the session quite lively. And at some moment, for example, if I see that Zach is talking a bit more with Helen and the other colleagues are a little bit more absent, it means that I will not. It's difficult sometimes to keep a position while other people are talking, because how should I look like, how should I stand, how should I live, right or right. So sometimes if you're not fully participating to the discussion, I can diminish the person online. It doesn't mean that you will be removed definitely, but at some point of the discussion, I will feel why some people are maybe less active in that discussion. I will come back later. And if it happened that maybe you are not on the screen and you really want to talk and I might have a mistake and made a mistake, go on the private chat and ask you, can you put me back on the live? Okay. So basically we will arrange everything for most of the people to be on the live all the time. But if, for example, a 25-second discussion is more between 3 people, we might try to focus on that.
Sorry.
Careful, it's COVID time. You should have did it with the elbow. Okay, so is it okay for you for live?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeff, is it possible to get sort of name tags put next to everybody's video stream? Because for some people that might be, for some viewers that might be easy. I don't know if that's something you can do.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah. So for the guest, for example, but the thing is that is also a bit polluting the image. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
I just need to check where. No, it's some place where I can show and display. I just need to find out where. It's somewhere where I can say.
Okay. should we write our first name or both our first name and last name?
I mean, I have to say, I think Jeff's right. Actually, it does look a little bit cluttered compared to what it was. So maybe we do just not bother with it, because we'll see all your names and faces on the transitions anyway. So yeah, seeing it now, I don't think it's worth worrying about.
Yeah, I think it's better without.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's just the pink.
So what can the thing I can do is that if you all agree that you put the first name or the last name or the both, we can just put it on the display. What I do live, maybe at the beginning of the session, the first 10 seconds, I do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after 10 or 15 seconds, I remove it.
Yeah.
And then in the middle of the session, I put it on again. And by the end of the session, when you finish, I can put it on again. So it's just including it 2-3 times for 10-15 seconds during the 15-minute period.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, I just have a question. Do we have to unmute ourselves when we don't talk? Do you think it's better?
No, because actually, I mean, you have to make sure there is no noise around you. And me, for example, if I hear there is noise around you, I can mute it from here. So I think we're okay like this. And I've been organizing webinars myself as an animator, as an expert as well, and it's quite just flowing easily.
Okay.
You will
just on the names, like I think you should include both your first and last name, because it's better not to look too anonymous online.
Okay. So for now, it means everyone but Ellen and Victoria. So you add your last name and everything is okay. The pink color is something I can change too. So it's something I like here, but I can have any kind of other color. I can have green. So if you have a color for the event.
Do you have something less aggressive?
Less fluorescent.
Yeah, I can have any color you want. So I can have something like this. But I know that we picked some colors for the event as well. So I can also maybe use.
Yeah, exactly. Like something from the design.
Yeah, something from the design, yeah. That looks, yeah.
I think
Okay.
like Julian had 3-4 different colors for each of the session.
Yeah.
Like it's featured in the cross, and maybe that could work as well. Then it becomes consistent with the
Yeah.
background.
Yeah, I will use the same kind of color code. And you see, I can have that size, can be like this.
Ah, this one is nice.
Yeah.
Better.
Okay, this one is good. So I can have the little color on the left and keep it that way. Okay.
Exactly. This is perfect.
Okay, so guys, if we have been all happy about the broadcast, I will end it, and we can see each other back in the Zoom.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it right for you? You just have to leave the studio.
Cool.